everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is living their best life, and if you aren't, please do something today to put you on the path of living your best life. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this knotless braid tutorial, which I've just been too lazy to edit. And honestly, since the fall semester started, I just haven't touched YouTube whatsoever. But it feels so good to finally be back editing and finally be back filming videos and everything. I don't know, like, YouTube for me now, it kind of just is just a way of me, I guess, expressing my creative nature. And it just feels good, and it feels very freeing to just be able to sit down and edit a video and not have to worry about tests or interviews, stuff like that. It's like a form of escape for me in a way. But anyway, I've been meaning to edit this video since I filmed it. I filmed this video before my fall semester started, and I believe it started on August 8th. So as you saw in that beginning clip, I began these braids on August 1st. These braids lasted me a good 2-3 months. I would say it lasted me about 2.5 months because I did take them down early November. And then I was just rocking a headscarf for the remainder of the semester. Actually, no, now that I'm thinking about it, I either took down my braids early November or late October. It was one of them. I'm forgetting exactly when, but it was around that time. So to do these braids, I'm not doing traditional box braids or traditional knotless box braids where you're parting it in a box. All I'm doing is kind of making, well, my intention was like a turtle sort of parting, but I'm calling it free part because it didn't really turn out in regards to my parts how I wanted it to look, kind of like that uniform turtle part. But overall, I found this was to be very cute. It made my braids super flat on my head, which I really appreciated. And I just really like the style and the look of it. So the way that I'm doing these free parts is that I'm taking my comb and I'm doing like this curving motion in order to have a sort of a curve on one area and then just a straight line, especially on this middle part, the straight line in the middle. So for this hairstyle, I did not only wear it in the middle part, I was switching off, but I didn't really care enough to make those parts as defined on the sides and stuff. I just wanted to make sure that the middle part was defined. And yeah, that's basically all I'm doing. For the remainder of the video, all I'm doing is braiding my hair. So as you know, with knotless braids, you start off braiding your natural hair. You can add like a little bit of the braiding hair just so then they last a little bit longer. But I don't believe that I did that when I filmed this video. And then after a couple stitches of your regular hair being braided, you begin adding the braiding hair. And you do that all the way until you get your desired length, as you can see on this video. So for the remainder of the video, I'm just going to be catching up with you guys, just talking about what's been going on in my life, where I've been, and why I've been so absent on YouTube lately, and as well as some of the plans I have for this channel. So as you guys already know, when it comes to school, I focus fully on school. And after the semester ended, my intention was to come back and be like, okay, I'm going to just hop right in and go straight back into doing YouTube and everything. But I decided to take a little bit of a break for myself because I was pretty burned out after the semester. As y'all already know, or if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. But as you guys already know, I am in school for software engineering, and it's just a very, very, very mentally hard career path for me. It's a lot of studying, a lot of learning, and especially for this semester, I was trying to learn a lot of computer sciencey things. Outside of that, school was pretty good. I was able to pass all my classes, thank God. Alright, so I'm all done. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is add some flexi rods to the end of my hair, just so that I can have a nice loose curl at the end. And then after I'm done putting all the flexi rods on the ends of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and dip it in hot water and then mousse and oil my scalp. I'm doing kind of small sections just because I want the curls to be pretty loose. So I don't want to like pack it on there, you know. So we'll see. So my plans for this channel is really just to be I guess like a personal channel for myself of just learning my different styles, trying out different hairstyles, trying out different makeup looks, and just, you know, doing a do, looking cute and everything. So yeah, that's my plans for this channel. Just continue to post, hopefully weekly, even throughout next semester. And that's my plan, just posting weekly. I'm trying to decide which day to post though. Honestly, I might post on the weekends or maybe on a Friday. I'm not sure when I'm going to post, but all I do know is that I'm planning on posting weekly on this channel. So stay tuned for some more videos. These are the end results. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe button down below. And stay tuned for more videos coming from me, hopefully weekly. With that being said, I hope everybody lives their best life. Peace, love, and light to you all.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.